Hello, teachers. Welcome to Classcraft. I'd like to show you what Classcraft looks like in case you are considering using it as your classroom management system. Perhaps this will help you make your decision. In this video, I will show you the sign-in process and complete overview of the navigation once you get into your class. Videos that follow will be focused on particular features in detail. If you would like me to explain something specific, please leave a comment. So let's go to classcraft.com, teachers, and get started. Of course, we can also click on login. I'm a teacher. And that's it, my school Classcraft account. You can see here in the upper right corner, there's my profile. I got an upgrade. This is the home page of your Classcraft. This is the activity page. So what has been happening in your classes. And this is my library. We'll come to this tab a little bit later. So every account gets a demo class. This is basically your sandbox. You will see the notifications in the class bar. You can access the class settings from here. You can edit the information about the class, distribute student codes, and print student certificates directly straight from this class bar. And of course, once you start creating classes, you just click on this add class and you're good to go. Classcraft is going to guide you through each step. Start playing. Once you are in your classroom, you're going to land on the dashboard. Navigation menu is on the left-hand side. If you click on this home, it's going to bring you back to the home page, the landing page of your account with the class bars. The second one is the class dashboard. We're going to come back to that. Then you have the class tools, quests, the message board. This is where you can send messages to all your students and their parents. The analytics. This is where you're going to see how the students are progressing. The student overview is only for school license settings, and this is basically your back office. This is where you set the game rules, so to speak. You add positive and negative behaviors, you edit the powers, you edit or add the pledges. Once the students lose all the points, they need to make a pledge. You edit or add random events, kudos. We're going to talk about these in the next few videos. And of course, the main game rules is how fast the students are going to level up, how many crystals they're going to get for each level. Classcraft has devised this genius class progression where they divided the way you are using Classcraft in 4 stages, so that the beginner teachers are only going to get the most basic features, the most basic tools to play with at the very beginning. And then as they manage to use everything in chapter 1, then you can progress to chapter 2. Etc. We're going to talk about the class progression tool in the next video as well. Technical settings about the interface, if you're going to have the sound effects or not. There's the background music, which is especially important in the boss battles. And the most interesting part is that you can import whatever settings you want from another class. So all of those game rules, you see behaviors, powers, pledges, random event, game rules and interface, you can you can import those from other classes. You can import just one, or you can import all of them. You see, you can check off whichever ones you want to import, the individual ones or all of them at the same time. You can mute the sound here on the navigation bar. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the dashboard and the class progression. Let me just talk about this little feature here, the little help sign. This is where you're gonna find the FAQs. This is the Classcraft Knowledge Center, and you will be able to contact the customer service. Their support team is very excellent and expedient. On the upper right hand side, there's the game feed, and this is where you will see what has been happening in the game, who has leveled up, your to-dos. That will show if you need to maybe correct somebody's assignment or approve of somebody's work. See the notifications, which is basically similar to the game feed, but just to notify you of the most recent developments. And of course, your profile back as on the home page. Clicking here will take you to the Classcraft home page as well. In the next video, I'm going to show you how the dashboard works, and I'm going to also show you what the class progression bar is. See you in the next video.